Great skin requires great skincare. We all know and understand the importance of treating our skin well with care and consideration. And whilst our skincare routines are good and we're using products with the latest ingredients, there are times when we just need to be doing more. And finally, the science is available for us to use at home alongside our home care and the in-centre treatments that we love to enjoy. Welcome to medical grade LED light therapy at home by Omnilux. Omnilux are leaders in the world of professional LED devices and are considered the gold standard in this medical grade technology and are used by estheticians and dermatologists around the world. And the success is incredible because the results in skin recovery and rejuvenation are unquestionable. Although this technology is not new, you may wonder about what it actually is and what it really does for your skin. When you use an Omnilux device, the LEDs emit light into your skin. And to put it simply, these lights move to different levels of the skin. And as they do that, they create a response within the skin. For example, if you were using the Omnilux contour face mask, the two clinically proven wavelengths of red and near infrared work together in the deeper layers of the skin and essentially create anti-aging effects from deep within, from restoring elasticity, encouraging collagen, and even helping to correct the sun damage in the skin. Perhaps it's the skin with oiliness and breakouts. Well, the clear light introduces a blue light, which helps to eliminate bacteria that causes the redness and the inflammation of acne. And so by using this technology in your home, you'll be extending the results that you enjoy by having the professional treatments that you love, and you're also able to supplement and further enhance the skincare that you already have and what it's achieving for you. And that is when your skin becomes beautiful. It becomes the skin that you've been wanting. There are 4 variations of the Omnilux technology for home use that are available to you. The Omnilux Contour Face for your aging concerns. There is the Omnilux Contour Neck and Décolleté to treat these very difficult areas. The Omnilux Clear is for breakout prone and acne skins, and the Omnilux Contour Glove to treat your hands. All of these are available on our website, skinmart.com.au, where you will also find out more information about the benefits of using each of these medical grade LED light therapy devices from Omnilux in your home.